I am aware, I look like I'm The Grudge. Whatever movie that is, I don't know. I don't watch scary movies, never have. Actually, in media at school, we had to watch a horror movie and it was the worst time of my life. I literally hated it. It was horrible because we had to analyse it. Oh, but I loved media. Wow, we're already going off on a tangent. Can't stop me and my talking ways. No, no, no. So it is Saturday today. And I have been working a lot on my Saturdays, but I just feel like maybe I shouldn't because I do need some rest time, do you know what I mean? So today we're actually starting the room makeover. Well, it's not really a makeover. I don't know, like I have a... Thing is, right, what's the point in doing my room over if eventually I'm going to move out? So it's like the money I would use to do over my room I can just put into savings. So short-term loss, long-term gain, do you know what I mean? Short-term loss of not loving my room, but long-term gain of liking it eventually. We've actually, the other day we went to IKEA and I bought a new wardrobe. I know, a long time coming for all of you who have been invested in the wardrobe journey. Finally got a new wardrobe. By the way, I'm just gonna have a shower, so I'm just doing a bun like this. Hello everybody, it's currently a Monday afternoon, evening even, and we are going to, where are we going, Dad? IKEA, we never know how to say it. Because you all know about the wardrobe scenario, and I'm gonna go get a new one. So excited, and it wasn't even planned into my day, so it's a very big spontaneity, and I'm just so excited. We like spontaneity. We do. Spontaneity is the key to life. Cannot be overrated. Yeah, because if you just followed life's norms,
no pizzazz, no zip.
Zip zap zabbity bap.
Your day, no zippity doo dah.
So I tell you what spontaneity I do not like. The blister on my foot that exploded in my brand new white Nike Air Forces. So there's blood all over them. The back of my foot is a bit not looking good, but it's fine. So we're gonna go and hope. They have 2 wardrobes left in stock, so we just have to hope and pray that there's not 2 people there right now picking them up, because they keep going out of stock really quickly, and it's £35 for delivery. And when you've got this guy right here, is a nice gem, you know, you utilise it, you utilise your assets. I'm really so excited, and Dad wants to cop some cinnamon rolls, don't you?
Is that there?
Yeah, because apparently the food's not open.
Cinnamon rolls.
Oh no, you know what is open? The hot dog bit. You can't. The restaurant's open, but you know the bistro bit downstairs.
That's the bit.
We are here, and there is no queue. Hello. Oh wow, I can't do it with one hand. No, is it not big enough?
Can you get it back a bit and hold it so it doesn't start wheeling away?
So I'm now in the back of the car because we've got everything in. We don't have the sliding doors, but they're coming back in stock on the 29th of June. So we're gonna cop the doors when it is, oh, the lighting kind of makes, no, I was about to say kind of makes my acne disappear, but it doesn't. Oh my gosh, should we people spy? I love people spying. I feel like everyone's just like looking at me. I feel so vulnerable here because Dad's in the toilet. So he's vulnerable. Oh my gosh, I just feel like everyone's staring at me, even though I'm not, because the windows are blacked out, so it's fine. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with this little duo right here. I love creating stories for people. It's one of my favourite hobbies. Just being like, where are you going? What are you doing? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from? Cotton Eye Joe. If it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe, I've been married a long time. Talking to the worker, and she said there's no aircon, and it was hot in there, and she said she's dreading Wednesday and Thursday because it's supposed to be 30 on those days. So I hope it's okay for them, because I remember one summer when I worked in Fortnum & Mason, and we had to wear a full suit, blazer, tights, skirts, everything. They don't have aircon, and the lift was broken, and it's like 7 stories high. And I remember honestly melting. That's all that there is to do. Oh, it's Dad. Feel better?
Yeah.
He's just jumped up.
What's a cuddle for? Not the time for cuddles.
She does not want to get off, does she? A wardrobe. The doors were out of stock, but I know that the main body kept getting out of stock. So I was like, I'd rather just get the main body, have it, and then I can go pick up the doors another time. To be honest, I say Dad's gonna help me, but let's be real, Dad's gonna do it, because I am no help with these things, and he actually likes it. He's one of those weird people that like putting up flat back furniture. So that's the day today. It's really nice because actually it was raining when I woke up, and the sound of rain when it's been so hot, it's literally been like 40 degrees. That's a very big exaggeration. It's been 30 degrees. So I need to have my honey, because I actually feel like me having local honey has helped my hay fever. So that's fun. Anyway, let's have a shower. Get eye bogey. Oh my gosh, I'm so embarrassed. I hate that. I actually hate having eye bogeys and people seeing them. That's sorry that you just witnessed that. That's so disgusting. My cheeks feel really soft today. So this is the before of this wardrobe. Look at all this crud. Literally there's so much crud. And this, ew, it's so disgusting. It's so chaotic in here. It's like my brain. There's just so much happening. Okay, so updates. I am actually going for crepes with my friend. So we're going to pick them up and then eat them in the park. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to clear out the wardrobe, and then I also have another birthday today. I feel like in lockdown there's been like 3,000 more birthdays than normal. Also I need to stop saying like, because I watched a video of another YouTuber, no tea no shade, and the amount of times they said like made me feel sick. And then I thought, hang on, I do that. I say like quite a lot. So I'm really trying to get my grammar, I'm trying to get my vocabulary more vast, you know what I mean? So, oh, and you know what I mean, I need to stop saying that. It's fine, we're in this together. Operation clean out the wardrobe is a go. Come on. Also, I would like to invest into matching hangers, but then again, it's one of those things, it's not a necessity, so why am I going to spend my money on it? And my hangers don't match, and they do clog up the wardrobe space, but I hate spending money on things that I don't actually, like, I don't fit. It's not a physical need, because I have hangers. A few years ago, one of my New Year's resolutions was to print out all the pictures that I had online, and I love finding them because honestly it's such a throwback. Just look, I feel like I haven't changed since 10. This is when I was maybe like 13. Who's that? Me in year 10 again. Don't change at all. Oh my gosh, it's with Lena. I miss Lena. She's in Canada. We haven't been able to see her because normally she'd come home. But obviously, there's this thing called a global pandemic on our hands. I also actually still have this present for my friend from when I went to New York. I haven't given it to her yet. So I need to do that as well because it looks like I've had it for so long. The wardrobe is, what is it, Dad?
Empty.
Yeah, you sound really ecstatic about that. How do you feel about doing a flat pack wardrobe today?
Yeah, I like doing flat packs.
So you don't mind me not being here?
No.
Okay. I'd get in the way, wouldn't I?
Yeah.
Here it is. Oh wait, I was just going to show it empty. Goodbye, wardrobe. The end of an era. Oh, actually, why do I get emotional over these stupidest things? It's a flipping wardrobe, Grace. Okay, so now, that's a fun song. I'm now with my friends. I'm gonna get out and we're gonna walk and get some crepes. Woo! Although this weather is, I'm a bit concerned, but we've bitten the bullet now, so I need to get my stuff. I've got an umbrella, so I don't know if do I need a jacket? I didn't even think, this jacket doesn't really go. There's a lot of cream happening, but whatever, I'd rather be warm. And I also need to get a Colin the Caterpillar in town because it's my friend's birthday, as I already said, my other friend. Oh my gosh, so much, oh, this is so much cream, I hate it, but right, let's pack the bag efficiently with the umbrella. Right, let's go. So we're currently sitting, there's no one in the staircase because it's like a hidden staircase. And we've got our crepe affair right there. I feel naughty, and 2 times I've nearly done a run up because there's been a security guard. But the thing is, there is a gap for people to walk up. We're not obstructing the view. And there's literally nowhere else to sit, and it might rain, so.
We've taken shots on the staircase.
Yeah.
I feel like we're in High School Musical or something.
You know, I really do. I gotta go my own way.
What about crepes? What am I supposed to eat?
I got a strawberry, banana, chocolate, cream crepe. And you got the same.
not vegan cream.
But not vegan cream. The cream did look a little bit like vomit. Also, I wonder what the echo sounds like on here. I kind of want to do runs.
Yeah, go on. Go on.
I'm back. I went and visited my friend for her birthday, which was really nice. And I also obviously had a crepe affair. And I've seen 4 dogs today, so I am happy as can be. And I've come home and the wardrobe is so much bigger than I anticipated. I've been trying to put stuff away, but it's so hard to like organise. Look how massive it is. So perfect and big. Basically, normally this wardrobe has 2 small rails there and there. But I decided to only have one because obviously my dresses are quite long. And then I've actually added, it's supposed to have like 3 mini baskets, but I wanted more space. So I added 2 shelves instead. And I feel like it's kind of the perfect size, which means that I can change the rest of the room around because I'll get rid of this basket and I'll get rid of this little guy right here, and then all I need is the chest and the wardrobe. Obviously I need to get drawers in it, and I can move my bed around, but I need to sort out all of this before I go to bed, and it's currently 10 o'clock and my brain can't handle that. I just want to go to bed. But I think, I know if I try and go through it now, I'll just rush and it won't be sorted. So also, look at my hair, I just washed it. I mean, I just washed my face, so I put my hair up and it looks really funny. So I thought I'd show you my outfit of the day. I don't know if I actually showed you. Oh, it doesn't look, well, I don't have my shoes on or my thing, but I keep getting asked where my outfits are from, which makes me feel like a fashion blogger, and no one ever asks where my outfits are from, so thanks guys. This top is from Brandy Melville, very basic. It's got a bit of green detail on, but you can't really pick it up on the camera. And then these trousers, which are from ASOS men's last year, but they're like my favourite, and I'm really sad because they're getting really dirty now, and I think I'm gonna have to, but I have never found a pair that I like this, because they're like thick cotton, kind of denim in a weird way. I don't know if you can see. And I want a new pair like this, but I haven't been able to find it yet. Also, really been on the hunt for a good pair of like straight jeans that are long enough. And it's really tricky. So I've come across this brand called Nudie Jeans, which sound amazing, and they're like jeans you have for life, and they repair them at any time. They are an investment because they're £110, but then I've got them for life. So it's like short-term loss, long-term gain. If you see what I mean, then it's better than me like every 3 years having to buy a new pair of Topshop mum jeans, which is my favourite. But I did my Topshop mum jeans, I have been getting the zip repaired every time the zip breaks, and so far they've lasted quite well. Wow, really gone off on a tangent here, but I think I need to sort out my bed. Hello everyone, it's Sunday and we are back at the room makeover. Well, not makeover, just flipping sort out. This is currently what the wardrobe looks like. We've got a few more bits hanging. The jumpers, we've got the light blues and the dark blues. We've got the creams, stripes and navies. This is multicoloured, and then we've got greys. 50 shades of greyish, whatever that's called. And I've just unveiled a box of all my memories and photographs, and I just get really emotionally invested in things like this. Just what we're gonna do now, I just had lunch and I'm actually gonna shred everything. And my thing is with like confidential documents, you know, I never know when to get rid of them, because it's like, when do they no longer become confidential? Well, when do they no longer become important? So you know, when say you like join a bank, or when you have a DBS form. It's like, I've volunteered at quite a few different schools, and obviously I volunteered at one when I was like 15, I don't know, whatever, how old I was, and obviously then the DBS comes out of date, but then it's like, is it still relevant? Anyway, I'm gonna shred away, and I'm also gonna watch a bit of Zoella's Vlogmases, babe, and they never get old to me. I just can't, I always watch them. Honestly, they bring me a lot of joy. I don't care what you say. Everyone always hates on the Vlogmases, but I just can't get enough. Actually, that's a fat lie. Do you know, I think people like make it cool to hate on Zoella's Vlogmases, but I think it's cool to like them, so don't hate me, you know what I'm saying? I will never get bored of them. They're just so great to have on in the background whilst you're doing things, because at this point I probably do know them word for word, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I'm so sad, I know it. Get shredding, boys, woo! First thing, are we ready? It's gone forever. That's actually quite scary though. Fun fact, my sister got this paper shredder for her birthday. Because that's what we're like in a big family, we like a essential, you know? So I'm actually cackling at, I just found my old CV. So funny, I just hate CVs, they're the worst thing. Furthermore, in my gap year, makes me want to chunder everywhere. I'm just going through all my letters. And also come with me and I'll show you what the kitchen looks like. Basically our freezer broke. And we've only got a fridge temporarily, which is quite tricky, but it's fine, we're working with it. And but for the new fridge freezer we want a bigger one, because it's not big enough for this family who loves the food. So Dad is being a DIY king, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, so he's like taking all these out and he's gonna move them along so we can fit, I don't know, hopefully
Bigger,
fit.
larger fridge.
That is.
Freezer.
Are you excited for a new fridge freezer?
It'd be nice when it's...
Yeah, I just want to clean a lot of product.
Yeah, look at this down here. Oh, it's gone. Well, no, it down there was so disgusting. Also, this terracotta, gotta go. Hate that. So we're moving the bed. We've got everything sorted out. Whoa! Whoa! Totally get why kids are scared of things. They're just so loud, you know what I mean? Room makeover check. It looks so much better. Look at this over here. Everything that's happening. And also, even within the drawers, they're so much more organised. Like, it just looks so much more... Okay. Oh, I'm so happy. And here, we've got the wardrobe completely full. And then we've got so much room for activities. That's the main goal. Obviously, I'd quite like this mirror. I'd like a big mirror without a frame around it, but that's not urgent. So save your money, peeps. And I'll just get Dad to hang that for me. Wow. I love it. It looks so much better. It looks so much more open and bright and breezy. Easy, breezy, beautiful cover girl. Go for a walk now, I think. And I've collected loads of stickers over the years. I'm going to drop that off at our friends. And what a good day! Also, wearing my absolute fave Fruity Loops jumper from 100 Club. Love it. I am so happy with the new room and I cannot wait to get doors on the wardrobe. Oh my gosh, this is a perfect angle for vlogging as well. This is so great, it's all worked out. Oh my gosh, it feels like we're at a sleepover. I've actually had such a great weekend this weekend. And I actually, at the start of lockdown and like kind of throughout it, I was really struggling with Saturdays because I felt like everyone was out like on a social distance walk with their friends or their boyfriends, and for some reason it felt like none of my friends were around. I don't know, maybe it's because they were out with their friends and boyfriends. Anyway, so I was really struggling and I was like, oh, I just want to do something. But this weekend, I think because I've done things, I've had a really good wholesome weekend and it was just really nice to actually do things, but also I was productive and I actually didn't post for the first time ever. Well, not the first time ever, but like I didn't post yesterday evening, and I'm wondering if that's had an impact on it, because normally I'm like, oh, I've got to get my video up, but I don't need to put that pressure on myself because I don't know, I don't know if like a Saturday video as well as all the other videos are necessary. So we'll have a think about that, if it's better for my mental health. You know, you got to keep the brain all groovy, baby. Anyway, I'm obsessed with this angle. I feel like I need to do like bedtime chats video. But I don't know what I talk about. I literally don't. Although I say I don't know what I talk about, but I just can't stop talking ever in my life. My head is just so full of thoughts. Like when I open my mouth, then the thoughts just keep coming. Honestly, I can't. I could. This section like could be like, oh, my memory card's nearly full. So bye. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Love you loads.